everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing, trying on, and doing a first impressions review of the WildBird aerial carriers. But before we get started, if you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to hit that like button. And if you don't want to miss another video on baby product reviews, mom life, and all things beauty and fashion and motherhood, then please feel free to hit that subscribe button. But let's get started. So your WildBird carrier will come in this adorable box. Has a little opening here so you can see your pattern when you first get it. How cute is this? It says a happy place for your little bird. And then when you open it, comes with the little booklet. Inside it shows you all the different ways you can wear it and how to wear it for every stage your baby's in based on weight and age. And it also shows you how not to wear it, which is also good. And it also has a step-by-step photo guide on how to put it on. Also shows you how to back carry it as well. I also find this very convenient, so it gives you another option besides looking it up on your phone. Your carrier will also come with this attachment, back carry, to put across your chest. Then inside, I love this cute little detail with packaging. Inside it says, "Welcome to the flock." So that is what to expect when you receive your carrier. So I picked out the Flores print. This is one of their newest prints. It is so adorable. It's like a nice light blush pink, and it has a little floral pattern on here. So cute. I really wanted like the patchwork one, but that one sold out so fast as soon as it came out. But I am so happy with this one that I picked out. So this is what it looks like. Padded folding to add support. It also has padding for the shoulders, adjustable buckles. So I had the size extra small to large. It also has padding here by the baby's thighs. I love this beautiful leather detail here. So the carriers that I have and love are the Artie Pop. So this is my first WildBird carrier. So I have a brand to go off of, and right off the bat, the difference that I see with the WildBird compared to the Artie Pop is that you have to pull a waist strap through like a ring here and then buckle it around. I will try this on and show you. Another difference I see is that the Artie Pop ones, you sit it like this on your waist, the sack part going up like that, and then the waistband. And then the WildBird one, you're supposed to wear it like this way. So this is flipped up, and I love that they say that this side up, this side is up, because I've already worn this a few times and I always forget. I'm so used to my Artie Pop, so I always put it on like this, and I always forget that it's supposed to go this way. So WildBird, just like Artie Pop, depending on the fabric you pick or the pattern you pick, you're gonna get a different fabric. So your expectations of each fabric may vary. This one I believe is linen, so I love how it feels lightweight and breathable it is, especially living here in Florida. This is going to be amazing for our spring and summers here. What I love about these carriers too is that it folds up really nicely to throw in your diaper bag and makes it easy for traveling. Carriers compared to the wrap, it's recommended you wear it starting at 2 months, and you can wear it up to 24 months. Weight wise, you can wear it starting at 7 pounds to up to 45 pounds. So it's not recommended to wear at newborn, but if your newborn is 7 pounds, you possibly could. I would just be cautious because they don't recommend it to wear until your baby is 2 months. I definitely recommend a wrap for the newborn stages. It's just so much more cozy and snug for them. I'm using the front carry position, which is perfect for my 2-month-old. It holds up to 7 to 45 pounds. The shoulder straps are padded and not bulky. It makes it really nice and lightweight and easy to wear. And the crossback option keeps the weight distributed evenly. Everything adjusts easily with just one hand, which is a big deal when you're juggling a wiggly baby and just on the go. You can see the baby's leg position is in the M position, the letter M. You want to make sure they are in this position. It helps with their hips and it's just more comfortable for them. And you want the knees higher than their bottom. And like I said, it's great for hip support. I love baby wearing and I love carriers like this. And with the WildBird carrier, I love how minimal it is. It's not too intuitive. It's very simple and easy to put on. There's no hanging straps everywhere, and they are very stylish. They come in so many cute patterns and colors, and it will pretty much look good with all your outfits. So if you want something cozy, stylish, and functional for baby wearing, I think WildBird is it. It's on the affordable side compared to like Artie Pop, and it's great for daily baby wearing. My baby is so cozy in it, and you can use my code here or my link for 10% off, and my code also works on top of the sales that they're having. So if you're thinking about getting a WildBird carrier, now is the time, because I believe they're having their Black Friday sale going on. I will have all the the details and my exact baby carrier linked below if you want to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, if you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to hit the like button, and if you don't want to miss another video, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.